This video will walk you through how to properly retrofit the power kit onto the Rubbermaid Commercial Products housekeeping cart. Before beginning, you will need the following items. Use the included instruction sheet along with the video to help with part identification. You will also need the following tools to properly retrofit the power kit onto the housekeeping cart. Step 1. Remove the trash bag and lay the cart down on its back. Step 2. Uninstall handle cap and save the 6 screws to be reused in Step 7. Step 3. Uninstall all casters, along with hardware. Step 4. Install 2 swivel casters on the non-vacuum rack side of the cart and 2 motorized wheels on the vacuum rack side. To install, first use lag screws and washers, then carriage bolts, washers, and lock nuts. Step 5. Install 8 wire routing clamps with washer head screws for cables coming from the 2 power wheel casters. Step 6. Install battery housing using 6 lag screws. Step 7. Install the throttle body using 6 screws that were saved from Step 2. Step 8. Install 2 wire routing clamps with washer head screws for the cable coming from the throttle body. Step 9. Unscrew the 2 lag screws from the top that are closest to the throttle body. Step 10. Separate the top from the side panel on the end where the screws were just removed to create a gap large enough to feed the 2 harness clips and wiring between the parts. Then push them back together and ensure the wire is captured by the slot in the top. Step 11. Ensure the cable is fed between the slot at the top of the side panel. Reinstall the 2 lag screws with washers. Step 12. Install 1 wire routing clamp with washer head screw. Step 13. Feed the cable down the slots that are between the side panel and the shelves. Step 14. Install 1 wire routing clamp with washer head screw for the cable coming from the throttle body through the bottom of the platform. Step 15. Clip all wire harnesses to their corresponding clips on the battery housing. Step 16. Push all the wires and clips inside the battery housing and install the cover with 3 screws. Step 17. Ensure the 2 cable boxes on the cords, coming from the 2 motorized wheels, are located close to the battery housing. Finally, insert the ProPower battery into the battery housing.